Hello and welcome all in our series Cook with Roti Mix. Today we are going to make chapatis. Empty 1 sachet of BLU Mark Roti Mix in a bowl. Remove 2 teaspoons of flour for rolling the dough. Add 60 ml of water to make a dough. For 1 portion of flour, you need half portion of water. Knead it nicely. Grease your hand while kneading. Keep it for 5 to 10 minutes. Make 2 balls from the dough for 2 rotis. Roll the ball on a roller board as shown. Apply oil on the upper surface and sprinkle some dry flour on it. Fold the rolled dough as shown and roll it again to make a thin circular roti or chapati. Put the chapati on a preheated pan and half roast it on high flame. After 10 to 15 seconds, turn the chapati upside down and half roast it on the medium flame. You may use cloth for roasting. Turn the chapati upside down to roast it on high flame. Again turn it upside down, roast the other surface on high flame. Apply ghee or oil on the upper surface and serve the hot chapati or roti.